Hi everybody, this is Larry with MarineMax in Jacksonville, and today we're going to talk about this brand new 21-foot cruiser pontoon from Harris. This is a great boat for the family, lots of room, lots of creature comforts, and it's a great value. This boat has a center walkthrough, which means we've got couches in the front and we've got couches in the rear corner, doors in the middle, lots of ways for kids to get on and off the boat at the sandbar, and it's very, very comfortable. The boat's got lots of cup holders and USB ports at all the seating locations to charge those phones as well. Now with this center walkthrough design, we've got dual helm chairs right here that are adjustable. They rotate fully. They also recline as well, so they're extremely comfortable. It's just like being at home. Now this particular boat is equipped with a Lowrance fish finder, a stereo, a Mercury 150 outboard, and a ski tow bar so you can pull a tube or a skier. This is a great boat for Jacksonville, being that it's a tri-tune, gives you a very comfortable ride. There's lots of safety features built into it, and if you'd like to take a sea trial, give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thank you.